Hello everyone and welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are starting off up front here with a very cute new quilt sample. This right here is Infinite Hearts by Quilty Love is the pattern. And we did our own array of beautiful solids. All of these wonderful mixes of pinks and reds and magentas. So as we're getting ready for Valentine's next month, if you want to start off with a cute little pattern to get you started, this one is amazing. We did put together some cute little curated bundles here, all of the different pinks and reds that we did in this quilt. And we have the pattern right up here, along with a couple different variations if you kind of wanted to do something similar, but maybe wanted to do a different style. This one is more strips, but we've got some other ones here that look more patchworky. So you can stop on by and get a head start on this. We also have some other curated bundles over here, kind of different reds and other beautiful pinks and red items. So definitely come on by and take a look at this. It's going to be right up front here so you can see it as soon as you come in. Okay, and then moving on over here for our notion of the week, we have calendars, cards, and candles. The 3 C's. So if you're looking to, if you haven't gotten your 2025 calendar, we've got a few options here. We also have some wonderful little notions here. So some different embroidery stitches for the new year, some candles to set the feel, and some different cards. We've got a palette set and a stitches set. So just a few things to get you started for the new year since it's still January. And then coming up right to the counter here, we wanted to let you know that we are doing another trunk show with Cotton and Joy. Fran will be joining us next Friday, January 24th. She'll be here from 10 to 4. She is here to show off her new fabric collection between the pages. She might even have some new patterns for us. We did some adorable little samples with her new collection to show off what you can do with it. Very cute line. We love the book theme, so we did, of course, a little reading pillow, some little pouches for books or your tablet. And again, we will, of course, have all of her beautiful patterns as well. So definitely mark that on your calendars. Come join us. Come say hi to Fran. You can ask her all of your questions about either her fabric line, design process, or any of her quilt patterns. Like I said, I hope that she'll bring maybe some new patterns for us, but we'll see. But we will have her brand new collection. So again, mark that on your calendars. And then we just wanted to show off, we have a beautiful new wool display right up front here. So all of our gorgeous hand-dyed wools, a whole variety. We've got a few different bundles and sizes of the wool, and some lovely patterns as well. Whole variety of woolly charms on display here. Lots of beautiful options. So if you're still loving the handwork this winter, it's going to be right up there for you. Okay, and moving along over here, we're going to show off this brand new collection from Dashwood. This one is called Woodland Wander. Very cute. Definitely more of a modern color palette, with those brighter magentas and turquoises, the lovely pops of gold, and a fun little woodland theme with the little mushrooms and all sorts of foliage. And we have a little inspiration for you here. This is the Meadowland quilt from Then Came June. So if you're looking for more of a modern pattern to go with it, this one would be fantastic. Wonderful. And then heading on over here, we're gonna go down our kids section because we have a new line for more of the juvenile theme. So this one is super fun and quirky. This one is called Dino Pizza Party. It is from Michael Miller. Very fun. You've got all of those dinos on there and they're just having a good old time. We've got the pizza, fun little print there with all the other foods, some hot dogs, tacos, and lots of super fun blenders. And there's a panel that goes along with it. Kind of has a fun, almost comic book-like theme. Cute little dinos. And then there is a free pattern that goes along with it. A fun little applique design here with some pizza slices and some dino prints. And then some borders just around there. And the border is the border print, which is this one right here. So that makes it super easy as well. Awesome. And then heading out our kids aisle, we're just gonna pop right over here to an end cap with a beautiful new, very soft, delicate collection from Lewis and Irene. Lots of very soft purples and periwinkles. So if you're looking for more of that soft, delicate look, this is definitely a great line. You've got those beautiful butterflies, and it looks like some Luna moths on there as well. And then up top, of course, we have some bat hoarders, and we have a really cool pattern here. This is Lattice Revival from So Kind of Wonderful. It's a really cool curved pattern. So we've got the quick curve ruler to go along with it there as well. Okay, and then scooching back over here, we've got a very cute kids line for you. Right here, we have Peter Rabbit and Friends from Riley Blake. So of course, those classic illustrative designs with the Peter Rabbit character on there with all of his friends. A lovely variety of pinks, blues, and greens. So you can really, if you're doing this for, say, a baby quilt or a nursery, you can either go more feminine or a masculine, or you can go gender neutral with this one, which is really nice. And then up here, we have a couple free patterns from them. We have the Fussy Cut Stars right here, which utilizes the panel that we have. And then we have Peter Rabbit and Friends panel quilt, which, sneak peek, we are getting the box kit for this one. So we should have that soon. So look forward to seeing that. But in the meantime, if you wanted to grab some of the line or the panel itself, it is super cute, and that is an option. Of course, there's the panel, fat quarters. We have a little Cotton and Joy pattern there for you. And lots of other kid-themed books if you needed some inspiration for what to do with that line. Okay, and that is it for us today. Thank you so much for joining. We will be on Whatnot later today with some of the new stuff that you saw. And don't forget to mark the Cotton and Joy event for next Friday, the 24th, 10 to 4 on your calendars. Come join us, stop by, say hi. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next week for another What's Buzzin' at the Bee.